Hello. Greatest gift of life. The pharmaceutical industry the world has been integral to the development of science. Mankind speed up recovery from illness. The Indian pharmaceutical industry has kept pace with the phenomenal growth of global box in terms of infrastructure development, technology base and its wide range of products. The increase in demand for Indian pharmaceuticals from overseas box is due to our capability of producing cost-effective drugs in world-class manufacturing facilities. Welcome to Medec Dragon Pvt Ltd, adding good health to life. Medec Dragon, founded in the year 2010, Medec Dragon Pvt Ltd is a pharmaceutical company. Consistent efforts, endless innovation and legitimacy of our products' quality has been certified by ISO 9001-2008. Spearheaded by Dr. Deepak Shenoy. He has over 15 years experience in pharmaceutical space and had previously been Director Marketing in Benzochem Life Sciences Pvt Ltd. With a clear vision to spread our wings across the globe, and under the leadership of Dr. Suresh Kabria, we currently export formulations, surgical and APIs to globally. Medec Dragon offer products and services across the pharmaceuticals value chain. We have 3 business segments. Specialty pharmaceuticals, comprising therapeutic segments. CRAMS, contract research and manufacturing services and active pharmaceutical ingredients. And generics. Contract manufacturing. Medec Dragon Pvt Ltd provides fully integrated third-party contract manufacturing and development solutions to our customers. Intermediates. We contract manufacture intermediates for several APIs falling under a wide range of therapeutic categories, fine chemicals and specialty chemicals. And we have an extensive range of different pharmaceutical intermediates. Our company product portfolio, APIs and FDFs which shall be marketed in domestics and international markets as a branded generics. Important therapeutic segments in syrup, tablet from, antimalarial, pain management, erectile dysfunction, hormone replacement therapy, anti-obesity, herbal supplements etc. Our 70+ formulation brands are being marketed in multiple countries, of which dossier is in CTD format along with its respective bioequivalents. Our synergistic collaboration with WHO GMP manufacturing facilities is backed by an excellent rapport with our client. Medec Dragon Pvt Ltd is exposed to over 35 countries. With established presence in Southeast Asia and Africa and growing presence in other markets, Medec is making a mark in the global pharmaceutical market with its quality healthcare products.